This is the ZM08. It's an inexpensive starter watch with lots of nice capabilities. Do not disturb your overall settings, turning it off, reset, info, QR code for the Tethering app, vibration, your brightness levels, which a nice range and should look good in the outdoor sunshine. You've got messages sent from your phone if you have any. Here you have your step count, calories burned, and distance traveled. This is the real-time temperature reading of your actual ambient temperature and your body temperature projection from that. You get a creative heart chart, actual measurement over time from midnight to noon, and then it starts over noon to midnight, and your actual reading, live reading, is shown as well. You'll get separate blood pressure readings here. It starts immediately flashing as it's accumulating that, and you'll get a systolic, diastolic reading in your past 8 readings. This is blood oxygen, relatively quick. It's using the green diode technology, though, instead of the red. Again, it's an inexpensive watch, and this will come up and give you your reading and vibrate when it's done. Last night's sleep information's here, and a weather forecast in your area or any area, and in centigrade or Fahrenheit you can set that, and a remote music player that'll play music out of your phone, and you can control it from the watch. This direction, you've got all the different training exercises. No GPS in this watch, but you've got some nice activities that you can do, and of course work with the app to transfer that over. And everything we've already just seen: heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, your step count, last night's sleep time. You do have a stopwatch in here. There's weather, messages, and the overall settings that we just showed you. You've got multiple different watch faces, and you can download some faces from their server, like this one that I put on this one as well. And that's all in the app from their watch face store. It's a really nice, thin, well-designed watch, and very inexpensive. It's called the ZM08. Check it out.